Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love reading for January. So, tingnan natin kung anong energies ng inyong love life. So, para sa mga interesado sa inyong love life dyan, baka maka-resonate kayo rito. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay, let's see, Scorpio. What's up with your love life ngayong January 2024? Knight of Pentacles. Okay. Slow and steady. Some of you may be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Pero if you're dealing with someone right now, slowly but surely, no? You're having fun. Ang dami ritong tao. So, pwedeng, you are connecting with a lot of people right now. Nothing serious. You just want to have fun, enjoy life. Kasi yung iba, nagmo-move on. Pwede kasing you've been through a painful situation in the past. And now, you just want to, get to know some people. Pero nothing romantic, nothing really serious. And yun yung way mo to cope. Yan yung paraan mo para maka-move on, ma-overcome. And you're doing well. Kumbaga, merong kinahihinatnan tong pag-move on mo. You may be going out, going on a date, talking to people, but nothing serious. We must remember that we are gods, goddesses, and work to embody that energy. Yes. Kumbaga pinapahalagahan mo yung sarili mo ngayon. You know your worth, alam mo yung dinideserve mo, so you will not settle for anything less. So, kumbaga, you just want to enjoy, have fun, get to know people, but it doesn't mean magsasettle ka na. I've never felt loved like this before. The depth of it can be inspiring but also overwhelming. Yeah, I feel like, in the past, yung person na naging ka-deal mo is, akala mo siya na, no? Siguro meron kayong very strong connection ng person na yun. It was so serious. And then suddenly, hindi pala, no? So, para sa'yo, hinahanap mo yung ganong klase ng relationship. And of course, hindi mo naman yun mahahanap kung hindi ka susubok ng mga connections, friendships, acquaintances. So, you really need to go out and get to know people. I'm beginning to focus on my mission and our connection is part of that. Yes, you want to have a relationship na may purpose, no? Hindi yung parang just for the sake of having in a relationship. Oo. Para lang masabi na naka-move on ka na. So, meron ka ng bago. For you, you get to know people, lumalabas, nakikipag-usap, yung iba nakikipag-date, but not to the point that you will settle for that. Oo, timing and intentions daw. So, very important sa'yo yung intention ng isang tao. The planets are activating us to heal and bringing us closer together, surrender to the changes. Yes. So, some of you, pwedeng meron kayo ngayon nakaka-connect na merong similar situation sa buhay nyo. Tapos, you share a lot of, similar experiences. Yung parang pareho kayo ng pinagdaanan. At dahil doon, natututo na kayo. You are learning from each other's experiences, nakaka-relate kayo sa isa't isa. And you understand. Naiintindihan nyo kung ano yung para saan yung relationship. So, sa inyo, hindi kayo nagmamadali. Meron dyan na magiging interesado sa inyo. Pero, at this point, you're not in a position na magseseryoso agad-agad. Knight of Swords. Okay. So, this is where your connection is going. Pwedeng mapipilit dito. Okay? Pwedeng merong persistent dito sa connection. Maaring itong person na bagong nakikilala mo or merong kang nakaka-connect ngayon na masyado siyang mapilit. Or parang gusto niya na, sige, subukan natin. Let's try to get into this relationship. You might take a risk in this relationship, yung tipong, sige, wala namang mawawala, subukan. Pero eventually you will realize na hindi pala siya yung gusto mo. Hindi pala niya kayang punan yung missing part ng na-experience mo ngayon. Kasi 'di ba yung iba after a breakup or a relationship na hindi nag-work para sa kanila, kahit matagal na yun na panahon, they try to look for it. Hinahanap nila yon sa bagong relationship. So, naghahanap sila ng bagong person. And sometimes, nagiging risky sila. They take the risk getting into the relationship early on, no? Dahil akala nila walang mawawala. Pero eventually, they will realize na, hindi pala ito yung hinahanap ko. Oo, hindi pala niya kayang i-fulfill, i-satisfy yung needs ko. So, somehow, it's kind of a waste of time. But at the same time, pwede rin namang learning opportunities yon for you. Love does not give up or lose faith. Love is hopeful and withstands every situation. Yes, you will not give up on love. Alam mo lang kung saan na yon hahanapin at kung paano mo yon mararamdaman ulit. 'Di ba? Meron ditong relationship patterns eh. It takes strength to recognize the need for change. So, pwedeng merong relationship pattern sa'yo na may tendency na kapag nagkakaroon ka ng failed relationship, you hop onto another relationship dahil akala mo yun yung mag-fix sa'yo. So, I think yung iba sa inyo meron ng realization about that. Express love through gifts. A small token of love can convey great appreciation. So, for you, you want a relationship na merong solid foundation, someone who can really express their feelings towards you, or someone na talagang gagastusan mo, or someone na e-effortan mo. Kasi part ng effort sa relationship is also spending money, spending your resources to that person. So if you feel like kaya mo nang gawin yon for someone, then maybe that's the reason para maging seryoso sa relationship. But I think for you, at this point, you're looking for a person na magbibigay sa'yo ng fulfillment eh. But, not this time. Yet. Ng taong January, mukhang malabo pa. Okay? So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe. Para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Scorpio. See you again.